Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a very special scale model. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, this is the product plus point diecast replica military force. It comes with pullback function. So let's unbox this right now. Guys, this is the product. This is a 1:32 scale model of WILLY'S Jeep 1940s model used in World War II. USA 20313374S. This product has a very realistic exterior in military green color. Just look at the finishing. Also, this comes with a well detailed left hand drive interior and has extra accessories such as rotatable guns, spare wheel and a tank. 8687. Also, this car has rubber tires and especially a very large ground clearance. The bonnet is openable and just look, it looks very realistic. If you like my video, please click on the like button and share my video to your 10 friends. Now let's take this WILLY'S Jeep for a mini test drive. Let's check the ground clearance of our WILLY'S Jeep. Wow guys, it went so easily. This car comes with a pullback action feature. Subscribe my channel for more new videos and click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.